Welcome back to Cryptorilla, your place to become a crypto gorilla, a crypto beast. Today, we're going to start off with some White House plans. We're going to talk oil, we're going to talk the market, we're going to see what's happening with EUPHORIA games, why these guys are in a decline for the past month or two, and why I believe they're going to have a strong comeback in the future. And lastly, we're going to do a price prediction of Bitcoin itself. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video so I can explain to you what's happening on this chart right here. Now let's get straight into it. So on this website right here, Reuters, you can find a lot of news influenced by obviously Western media, since they are a Western news source. But regardless of that, it is everything that you are supposed to see during the day, you can pretty much find here. So you can see that the White House does plan a Russian oil ban very soon. And according to that, First Squawk says that Barclays said that in the worst case, oil prices could climb over 200 per barrel, which is absolutely crazy. Also, have in mind that oil did gain about 7% or $7 or something today, so we can take a look at that as well right here. If you actually move into the oil chart, we can see that the gains are quite massive even today as well. Disregard what's happening right here, but prices are just moving steadily towards more and more upside due to this shortage pretty much, and this whole crisis going on. So if you're thinking about going long on oil, you probably wouldn't be wrong. But at the same time, we are seeing a divergence in the relative strength index, and there is countries around the world who are releasing their supplies, such as Iraq, of oil towards the global market. So this could battle the price in some way, shape, or form. By the way, that was a short position that I was looking to take, but we did not break this area right here, so I did not take it. Now, when it comes to EUPHORIA games, these guys are based on the blockchain, and they are promoting card games, and they have their own wallet, and they want to sort of allow for a seamless gambling experience on the blockchain. But they come with a very, very nice twist, which I'm going to show you right now. So they are on the blockchain, which eliminates the need for intermediaries and makes transactions faster than in conventional methods. Also, they promote enhanced security, which prevents fraud and unauthorized activity, and they are decentralized in nature. Now, you can do betting on this platform, so you can place any type of bets on any type of event, no limits and commissions set by the user. You can play card games as well, so DeFi games with a transparent algorithm, minimum platform commission, which is only 2%, and a rating system to stimulate the excitement of the users. There's the NFT cards as well, so EUPHORIA's betting platform is getting along with NFTs. Tickets, trading cards, and everything will be available on the platform, and they're granted immutability and public verification of ownership as NFTs should work. First of all, how it actually works. It's very simple. If you want to play poker or, for example, Texas Hold'em, all you need to do is create a room, set the commission, as you can see right here, the number of chips, number of players, everything that's going on, and choose if it's going to be private or public. Finally, everybody can join the room and start to play. If anybody makes a profit, they'll walk out with a certain amount of chips, which is actually this EUPHORIA token, right? And whoever actually loses, well, they lose their chips, and the guy who created the room got his commission. When it comes to gambling, it's very simple as well. Player B creates the room, creates the event, and sets the coefficient. Smart contract is used when obviously Chainlink's smart contract, which is nice to see, and the winner just collects the reward. So it's just like a sports betting system, but on the blockchain network using Chainlink's oracles. Now, when it comes to event predictions, you can also pretty much bet on anything out there. So first of all, the player creates the room. Second of all, the player can create any kind of event for the game or participate in existing bets. For example, this guy says, I bet $100 that the Bitcoin rate will be 10 points less than the current rate. This guy's saying, I'm betting $100 on Montaigne from Australia to win on the Eurovision, and whoever wins gets their $100. It's really cool that you can bet on pretty much everything. Several advantages for this project is, it's first of all, it's on the blockchain. Second of all, it's very simple. You can get earnings and you can withdraw it immediately. Very easy, no limit on bets and any of the events. Highly profitable, which means there is no hidden margin or fees. Everything that you actually win, you keep in your wallet. It's very simple, and as you can see right here, this is their development through 2021, or actually 2022 right here. Yeah, you can see Q4 2021. They're testing the app for Android and doing a lot of other stuff, but their main goal is to have everything out by the end of 2022, with Baccarat launched, with poker tournaments, baccarat tournaments, and all of these new types of lottery launched as well, and developing poker VR implications, which is going to be absolutely crazy. Just imagine sitting down at home, but putting a VR headset on and being able to play poker with a bunch of people on crypto, right? With nobody able to shut you down. That's really cool, right? And yeah, you can see a little bit about the team right here. Really, really cool. You can subscribe to receive their newsletter. Now, there is some disclaimers that I'd like to make about this project. These guys got delisted, or they delisted themselves from Hotbit, and you can actually purchase the token itself on PancakeSwap right now. Also, they're pretty much in a decline right now, right? Their followers have pretty much been the same for the past month or two. They're not really growing, but I believe they have some stuff in development for the future, which is why I had to do a little covering of it right now to show you guys that this project exists, and if it succeeds, they do have a lot of potential to grow into something crazy, right? So that's why I wanted to show it to you. And lastly, what I wanted to do is do a little Bitcoin price prediction. So get this oil out of my screen. I'm done talking and listening to oil right now. And what we can see right here is, okay, let's start from the higher time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see a few interesting things. We can see this resistance and a level of support. So we are in somewhat of a channel, right? In the middle of that channel lies a very important trend line, and the trend line is sort of a zone of resistance at this point, and it is at the 45k very significant level. So at the 45k level, we have a strong zone of resistance, and until we break out of this level, we're not moving bullish. So don't let anybody confuse you. Don't let somebody tell you, yeah, we're gonna break out. We broke out of this trend line, we're moving bullish now. No, we're not. We're not moving bullish until we break out of the 45k level, and that is a fact. So if we do see something along the lines of this and a retracement into this level, that's gonna be beautiful and offer good buying opportunities from this area right here, anticipating more upside. Now, moving on to the lower time frame, or the 4-hour, we can see the price did find this significant resistance, came all the way down here, and now we're forming another zone of resistance right here. So it's very small, but it does seem like a head and shoulders pattern, but it doesn't really matter at this point, because on the even lower time frame, we are creating somewhat of a flag right here, which could be leading to more downside, as it's getting broken out of. And currently it is slowly getting broken out of, which is why I'm probably going to assume a short position very soon on Bitcoin, but I'm still waiting for a larger candle to confirm this downwards move. Now, my target would be the 34k level right here, but in the midterm, it would be this area right here, so the 33k level, because I still believe we have to bottom out at some area, and this is the perfect level to do so. Now, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about Euphoria games. Do you think they'll succeed in the future? Do you think they're going to go down in the remembrance of a lot of other different crypto projects that had the potential to be huge but never succeeded? Well, I really want to hear what you're thinking. So thanks for watching. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you did see in this video should not be helping you make your investments. You are accountable for any losses you may make, so you should do your own due diligence. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.